It's a beautiful night for arson. What's up everyone? My name is Alyssa Sincata and tonight we are doing a burn the dress divorce portrait shoot at dusk with the Westcott L60-Bs. Let's get to it. All right, so we are here tonight in Waterloo, Illinois. I've got my friend Rachel, and we have been talking about this concept for, God, I don't know, a long time. And what we want to do is a burn the dress kind of divorce shoot where she's literally going to throw her wedding dress in a bonfire. So I've got the Westcott L60-Bs with me. What we want to do is wait until the sun sets a little bit more. Right now we've got some really bright golden hour light, which is beautiful. I am going to take some portraits in this light first, but as the sun starts to set, I'm going to use the L60-Bs to really enhance the light on her face. I've got the bonfire will be in the background because you don't want your background to go completely dark. So I've got the bonfire as this like nice ambient light in the background, keeping everything nice and warm in the background. And then I'm going to use the L60-Bs to light her face. I've never done a shoot like this before, so you really only have one shot with throwing a dress into a fire. So let's see what we get out of this. I'm hoping to create something that's a little more artistic. I looked up divorce portraits and burning the dress, and everything I found online was very cheesy, so I want to make sure we take a little bit more of a fine art and artistic approach to this. So
what about the bugs?
Oh, the bugs, yeah. Join us in the bugs on this beautiful shoot.
You want to ask him if it's okay to have the fire there? Or?
Why would it not be okay?
Because there's trees above. I mean, I'm just a city boy. What do I know?
I don't think we're going to have like...
You don't even want to check?
Well, okay, yeah, I'll check.
Let's check.
So I think here what I want to do is have her stand on this side and use the sunset in the background and the fire, and then throw some light on her face because she's going to be really harshly backlit. We'll get this really close on her and create some nice soft light on her face. Twist your hips this way. Yep, more and more. Yep, but you're like this. I need feet directly at me, and then I need hand in the hair. Love it. Bring it elbow back so I get that light on your face. Perfect.
We're just here working, and you know, we got a little fire. Just hanging out by the fire, and Alyssa, the reason we're not doing anything is because Alyssa doesn't have the right lens on her camera. But amateur hour. I have the right lens on my camera. Alicia, who's holding the light.
I've got the right light.
She's got the right light. So Alyssa, why don't you have the right lens? We're running out of time. Lights, sun setting.
Fire's going out.
Fire's going out. I mean, it's not good. It's not good for production.
So that was intense. When we threw the dress in the fire, it got really big, really dark. But I love the shots. I feel like there's a lot of emotion in here. I don't know, do you feel like you got rid of some
I feel lighter.
Good. I'm so glad we got here when we did. I'm sorry, I'm sweating so bad. The sunset in the background gave some really nice lens flare, and then that L60-B lighting her face complemented it so nice and soft. It actually felt somewhat natural. You know, sometimes when you're shooting wide open with a light source in the background, you're getting the lens flare. Sometimes it actually has the soft glow kind of filling the whole portrait. I had that effect, but I was using continuous light. And I think we were only at like 50% power on that L60-B, and it was perfect. That's the beauty of shooting this time of day. You don't have to go full power. We didn't even need a softbox on it. The light was really, really soft, really even, just absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy with the results. Hope you guys love them. Let me know which ones you like the best. Do you like the ones where she's lighting her marriage certificate on fire, or do you like the ones where she's throwing the dress into the fire?
Marriage cert's my vote.
Yeah, I think so too. If you liked this video, if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe to our channel, ding, 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 and we'll see you in the next video.